Hello, all my dear children. This is your Pinky Ma'am here, and I welcome all of you to our online conversation class once again. Kids, now I will show you one picture. You have to answer few of my questions. Okay? Children, please observe the picture carefully. Okay, and tell me the things which you can see in the picture. Okay. Yes, very good, kids, very good. We can see a school, no? Yes, as like we have our school. Yes, we can see few students. How many students are here, children? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can see here 5 students. Kids, we can see trees also. See the tall trees, no? Yes, and we can also see Principal Sir. See what he is doing? He is hoisting our national flag. Yes, children. So, children, in our previous video, we all have learned about our national flag, right? So, can you tell me what is the name of our national flag? Yes, can you tell me? Okay, very good. Yes, it is Tiranga. Yes. So, do you know, children, on 15th August? Okay, once again I repeat, on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. Yes, on that day, we hoist our national flag and we salute our national flag. See in the picture, the principal sir is hoisting the flag and the students are saluting, right? In the same way, we also celebrate Independence Day in our school on 15th August. Okay, kids? So, all my dear kids, let us learn some important points on Independence Day. Okay, kids? So, let's get started. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We hoist our national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. I love my country. Okay, children? So please go through all these points, and now we will learn how to draw our national flag. So, you all are going to do it in your English copy. Okay, kids? Children, let's write CW and today's date. That is 10.8.2121. Okay, now let's draw a standing line like this. Okay, children? Now leave some space. Then we will draw one more standing line like this. Okay kids, now from here just go up, and from here just go up and join them. Okay, now from this point we will draw one sleeping line like this. Okay, then leave some space. From here draw one more sleeping line. Again we will leave some space and we will draw one more sleeping line, and again leave some space and we will draw one more sleeping line like this. Now we will join all these lines together by drawing a standing line like this. Okay kids? Kids, all of you know very well how to draw a circle, right? So let's draw a circle in the middle. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part, right? So in the middle we will draw a circle like this. Okay kids? Now in the circle again we will draw one standing line in the middle. That means we have divided the circle. Okay, then again one sleeping line. Okay, then slanting line, again one slanting line. Okay kids, from here we will draw one sleeping line small. Okay, and from this side also small. Okay kids, now draw standing line, come down, again from this side draw one standing line and come down. Okay kids, now again from this side draw one sleeping line, and from this side also we will do the same. Then standing line, again from this side standing line, and then join these two lines like this. Okay kids, now see, the structure is ready. Now we will fill colors. Okay kids? Kids, this is the first part. So here we will fill with saffron color. Okay, see, I'm filling it with saffron color. Okay kids? See children, it's done. And the second part is white in color, so we will not do anything. And the third part is green in color, so we will fill green color. Okay, see children, I have done. Now these are called as spokes. Okay, and this is our Ashoka Chakra. What children? Ashoka Chakra. Okay, the color of Ashoka Chakra is navy blue. Okay children? Okay, now let's fill this with black color. Okay, see children, it's done. And let's fill this staircase with brown color. Okay, see children, I have completed my national flag. Okay, so now let's write Happy Independence Day. So here we will write H A P P Y, happy, leave some space, I N D E P E N D E N C E. Happy Independence Day. Day. Once again. H A P P Y. Happy. E N D A P A N D A N K A. Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Okay, children? So, kids, by maintaining the 4 lines, you have to write Happy Independence Day in your English copy after drawing this national flag. Thank you, kids.